Number 15. Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 redefines compact performance, combining power and portability for video editors. Featuring an AMD Ryzen 9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU, it offers seamless multitasking and video editing capabilities. The 14-inch QHD display ensures vibrant colors and sharp visuals for precise editing. Despite its lightweight design, the G14 delivers top-tier performance, proving that professional content creation doesn't require a bulky machine. Perfect for on-the-go editors, it blends style, power, and portability to seamlessly fit into any creative workflow. Number 14. Dell Precision 5760. The Dell Precision 5760 sets the standard for workstation-class laptops, combining precision and power. Equipped with an Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX A3000 graphics, it handles the most demanding video editing tasks with ease. The 17-inch 4K display offers exceptional clarity, ensuring every frame is pixel perfect. Whether working with 4K footage or complex animations, the Precision 5760 delivers consistent performance. Its sleek, durable design also offers portability, making it the perfect choice for professional creators who need power on the go. Number 13. HP Spectre X366. The HP Spectre X366 combines elegance with powerful performance. Its 16-inch 3K OLED display offers stunning visuals ideal for detailed video editing. Powered by an Intel Core i7 processor and Intel Iris Xe graphics, it ensures smooth multitasking and seamless rendering. Whether editing on the go or in the studio, the Spectre X360's sleek design and long-lasting battery make it a reliable choice. Plus, its robust security features protect your creative work, a perfect blend of functionality and style for creators. Number 12. Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360. The Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360 combines style and versatility, making it perfect for editors on the go. Its ultra-slim body features a stunning 15.6-inch AMOLED display offering vibrant colors and deep contrast ideal for color grading and editing. Powered by an Intel Core i7 processor and Intel Iris Xe graphics, it ensures smooth performance with demanding software. With its 2-in-1 design, you can effortlessly switch between laptop and tablet modes, providing flexibility for professionals who need mobility without sacrificing performance or style. Number 11. LG Gram 17. The Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360 combines style and versatility, making it perfect for editors on the go. Its ultra-slim body features a stunning 15.6-inch AMOLED display offering vibrant colors and deep contrasts ideal for color grading and editing. Powered by an Intel Core i7 processor and Intel Iris Xe graphics, it ensures smooth performance with demanding software. With its 2-in-1 design, you can effortlessly switch between laptop and tablet modes, providing flexibility for professionals who need mobility without sacrificing performance or style. Number 10. Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2. The Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2 is the ultimate versatile tool for creatives. Its convertible design effortlessly switches between laptop, stage, and studio modes, adapting to every need. Powered by an Intel Core i7 processor and NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU, it tackles 4K video editing with ease, offering smooth playback on its 14.4-inch PixelSense Flow display. With a 120Hz refresh rate, your edits remain sharp and vibrant. Whether designing, editing, or finalizing a project, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 elevates your creative experience to new heights. Number 9. Acer Concept D7 Isel Pro. The Acer Concept D7 Isel Pro is a creator's dream, blending precision and innovation. Its 4K touchscreen pivots into multiple modes, offering video editors unparalleled flexibility. Powered by an Intel Xeon processor and NVIDIA RTX A5000 GPU, it handles high-resolution footage with ease, ensuring smooth performance even during intensive tasks. The Pantone-validated display guarantees color accuracy, making every frame vibrant and precise. Whether editing or rendering, the Concept D7 Isel Pro transforms your creative vision into reality with seamless performance and stunning visuals. Number 8. Gigabyte AOS 16 owns lead. The Gigabyte AOS 16 OLED is a true masterpiece for creative professionals. Featuring a stunning 16-inch 4K OLED display, it offers exceptional color accuracy, perfect for precise video editing. Powered by an Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 4070 GPU, this laptop handles demanding tasks with ease. Its sleek design, coupled with advanced cooling technology, ensures reliable performance during long editing sessions. Whether you're creating cinematic content or refining your next project, the Aero 16 OLED delivers the power and precision you need in a portable editing powerhouse. Number 7. Razer Blade 17. Experience the power and precision of the Razer Blade 17, a top-tier tool for serious video editors. Equipped with an Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 4090 GPU, it delivers exceptional performance for even the most demanding projects. The 17-inch 4K display offers incredible clarity and vibrant colors, bringing every frame to life. With its slim, durable design, the Razer Blade 17 combines portability with style, making it perfect for professionals editing both in the studio and on the go, ensuring a seamless creative workflow. Number 6. MSI Creator Z16P. The MSI Creator Z16P is a powerful laptop designed for professionals who demand excellence. Equipped with an Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 4070 GPU, it excels at handling intensive video editing tasks. Its 16-inch QHD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate offers smooth visuals and precise color accuracy, ideal for fine-tuning edits. The sleek, modern design adds style to its performance, making it a standout in any workspace. The Creator Z16P is the ultimate creative tool, built to match your ambition and keep up with the most demanding workloads. Number 5. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Extreme Gen 7. Power meets precision with the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Extreme Gen 7. This powerhouse is designed for creators who demand excellence, featuring an Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 3080 Ti graphics that handle 4K video edits with ease. Its stunning 16-inch 4K display delivers unmatched color accuracy, making it a favorite among professionals seeking flawless visuals. Built with a robust chassis and enterprise-grade security, it's more than a laptop, it's a productivity beast. Whether you're editing on the go or in the studio, the ThinkPad X1 Extreme Gen 7 ensures every frame you craft is perfection. Number 4. HP's Book Studio G9. Prepare to meet the powerhouse that redefines creative freedom. The HP's Book Studio G9 is more than just a laptop, it's a mobile workstation crafted for video editors and creators who demand excellence. Featuring an Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 5000 graphics, it handles intensive editing tasks with precision and speed. Its vibrant 4K display ensures your visuals are as crisp and color accurate as you envisioned. Plus, its sleek, portable design proves that performance doesn't have to come at the cost of portability. Whether you're in the studio or on the move, this laptop delivers unmatched reliability and brilliance. Number 3. Asus ZenBook Pro Duo 16. Meet the laptop that takes multitasking to a whole new level. The Asus ZenBook Pro Duo 16 boasts not one but two stunning 4K displays. The main OLED screen delivers incredible color accuracy, perfect for fine-tuning edits, while the secondary screen pad Plus enhances productivity with seamless workflow integration. Powered by the latest Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 4080 GPU, this powerhouse handles even the most demanding video editing tasks effortlessly. Whether you're crafting cinematic masterpieces or creating content on the fly, this laptop transforms how creators work, combining innovation with performance in a truly remarkable way. Number 2. Dell XPS 15. Step into the world of precision and performance with the Dell XPS 15. Known as the crown jewel of Dell's premium lineup, this laptop is engineered for creators who demand excellence. Powered by an Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 4070 GPU, it effortlessly handles complex video editing workflows. The 15.6-inch display offers a stunning 4K resolution, delivering accurate colors that bring your projects to life. Sleek, durable, and designed for portability, the XPS 15 balances style with substance, making it an essential tool for editors who refuse to compromise on quality or mobility. Number 1. Apple MacBook Pro M4. When it comes to video editing, the Apple MacBook Pro M4 stands out as the ultimate powerhouse. With its groundbreaking M4 Pro or M4 Max chip, this laptop redefines performance, effortlessly handling even the most demanding tasks. Its stunning 14-inch and 16-inch liquid Retina XDR displays deliver unparalleled color accuracy, ensuring your edits are as crisp and vibrant as the final product. Whether you're working with 4K footage or intricate visual effects, the MacBook Pro M4's incredible speed, combined with its sleek design, makes it the top choice for professional editors looking for a seamless, high-performance experience. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video.